Now, some very important questions I will discuss for Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. See, question number 1. X by 25 equal to 196 divided by x. Then x equal to. Then first we have to write 196 by x. It will be cross multiplication. Then x multiply x, and here 196 and multiply 25. Now it's become x square, and 196 multiply 25, then x is equal to under root 19625. 196, 14 is square 196, and 5 is square 25. While I will remove the root, then 14, 214 is here, the 114 will come out, means 14 square is 196 and 5 square is 25. So I wrote place of 196 14 and 25 place 5. 14 5s are 90, sorry, 14 5s are 70. Then option number B is correct. Question number 2, see very carefully. Buy a radio at 3 by 4th on its market price and sell it at 20% more than market price. What is the gain percent? Then let the market price 100, means we have to let market price of radio is rupees 100. Then buy 100 3 by 4th, then it's 25 and 3, then 75 rupees. Then buying price 75 rupees. Now selling a radio, selling the radio, earlier it was 100 plus 20% more, so 120 rupees its selling price. Now, and market price is 100, I just buy this one is 75 rupees and selling price is 120 rupees. Then profit is equal to selling price minus, then profit is equal to 120 minus 75. 120 is my selling price and cost price is 75. Then if you will subtract, then here come 45. Then profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Then 25 4 is 100, 25 3 is 75, 3 15 45, then 15 multiply 4 is equal to 60%. So option number C is correct. Question number 3, 14075 multiply 0.01, then it will be multiply then 14075, because if you will multiply by 1, first I remove decimal. I won't think that here is decimal. Normally I will multiply by 1, then same digits should come. Now I will put the decimal. Here is 2 digits before decimal and here is also 2 digits. Then when 4 digits before, I have to put the decimal. Then here I will put 1 2 3 4. So answer will be option number C. Now question number 4, the area of a square whose perimeter is 48. We know that perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square, 4 into side, then 4 into side is equal to given 48, then side is equal to 48 divided by 4, 1 to 12, and we know very well area of square, side into side, so 12 multiply 12 is equal to 144 meter square. So option number B is correct. Now question number 5, 90% of 300 plus 30% of 90 is equal to, then 90% of 300 plus 30% of 90, then 90% means here, and 300 plus 100 into 90, then 1010 cancel, and this 0 cancel, here 1010 20 cancel, then 27, and here is also 27. When you will add, then you will get here 297, then option number B is correct. Now question number 6, if 2.55 multiply 0.5 is equal to 1.275, then 2 to 5 multiply 0.5 is, this question is very important, you may get in this question in coming exam 2022 also. Then see, same digits is given here is, if I will remove decimal, then you will get same digits, this one is same, and here is also given 2, 5 and 5 multiply 5. If I will remove decimal, then you will get the same digits, so answer will become same, but here is only place of decimal, here is 3 digits before decimal, then 3 digits before here decimal is given, and here is 1, then 1 digits before, so answer will be, see very carefully, B number is correct. Now this is very important question for coming exam. Now 7 number question, see very carefully, 500 gram is what percent of 4 kg? We know that 4 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg is equal to thousands gram. So 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram. Then 500 grams is given percent of 4 kg. Then here 4000 grams. Why I took 4000? Why not 4 kg? Because we have to convert in the same. Suppose here is gram, then we have to convert also in gram, same unit. Then 20 cancel, and here 10 also cancel. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 12. It's 25 by 2, so 12.5%. Then option number A is correct. 8 number questions. 8 by 1000 plus 8 by 100 plus 8 by 8 by 1000 plus 7 by 100 plus 5 by 10 is equal to, then first we have to write 8 by 1000 plus 7 by 100 plus 5 by 10. I will not take LCM. We know very well that when, if denominator is 10, 100,000, so here is 8, 3 digits, 1 2 3, then I have to take 3 digits, 1 2 and 3, and put the decimal. Now here 7, 2 digits, 20 means 100, 20, then 1 and 1 digits I will increase, then 2 digits before 0 I have to put. Here 5 1 0, so here I will put decimal. If you will add this one in this way, you can add it 0 0 8, then 0 7, then 0 5, then 5 7 8 decimal. Then according to question, option number C is correct. Now question number 9, we have to subtract, then 1.1, then 0 0 1. Here 1 it means 10, I can 0 put, I can here also. Now it's 9 0, it's cancel. So option number B is correct. 10 number question and last question for this video. Simple interest on 5,000 for 5 year at rate 10% per annum is equal to, we have to find principal, we have to find simple interest. Here is given principal is 5,000, time is 5 year, time is 5 year, principal is 5,000, and rate is 10%. So interest we know very well, I is equal to interest P into T into R by 100. Then principal is 5,000, time is 5 year, and rate is 10% divided by 100. 20 cancel. So 25 10 and 10 here, 2500. Then option number C is correct. Thank you for watching. Coming soon I will come in next video.